Hi, this is Lee from Nextbase and this is our groundbreaking 622GW dashcam, our flagship product with 4K resolution. Let's see what makes this so special. The innovative 622 features 4K resolution, super slow motion and image stabilization. You are guaranteed the best quality footage. The polarizing filter is inbuilt and ensures no reflection and no glare. The 3-inch touchscreen is incredible for setup and for watching back your footage if you wish. Our exclusive partnership with What 3 Words is a world's first, and even offline allows you to locate yourself within 3 square meters. Very, very helpful if you need to contact the emergency services or your friends with your precise location. The dashcam also includes super accurate GPS and Wi-Fi, so wherever you may be, you can pair it with your phone to send your footage to the police, your insurance company, or your friends. And with our innovative emergency SOS feature, in the event of an accident and you being unresponsive, your phone will directly contact the emergency services, even with details like your blood type, and send an ambulance to your precise location. Alexa is built in and allows you to safely interact with your dashcam, whether that be asking for directions, playing music, or controlling the dashcam itself. So let's take a look inside the car. As with all of our dashcams, this features our patented click and go technology, which means within seconds, you can install it and be on your way. So as we can see, our multi-award winning 622GW is very, very easy to install and attaches and reattaches like so. The cable is very easy to put into your vehicle. It runs around your roof lining and attaches and connects to your in-car power. We always recommend a Nextbase micro SD card, and with this particular model, we would always say go for a 128GB. Our 622GW is compatible with all of our rear view cameras. Firstly, our cabin camera that records everything within your car. Secondly, we have our rear view camera that uses a telephoto lens to look out the back of your vehicle and record all movement. And finally, we have our rear window camera that adheres to the inside of your rear window. So as you can see, our flagship 622GW really is the ultimate dashcam.